To the man who keeps showing up, even when nobody says thank you. To the man carrying pressure silently, trying to stay strong for everyone else. This is for you tonight, because heaven sees what people overlook, and God has not forgotten the weight you carry. To the man who feels forgotten, brother, you have carried burdens quietly, smiled through exhaustion, stayed strong through disappointments, and fought battles nobody even noticed. You gave your best, yet still felt unseen. You helped others rise while your own soul became tired. You stayed loyal, stayed responsible, stayed available, yet somewhere deep inside, you began asking, does anybody truly see me? Does anybody understand how heavy this feels? Does my effort even matter anymore? And tonight, God answers, yes, He sees you. Your sacrifice was not invisible to heaven. Every sleepless night, He saw it. Every silent prayer, He heard it. Every burden you carried without complaining, He counted it. Your value is not measured by applause, not by attention, not by how often people celebrate you. Because some of the strongest men are carrying entire worlds quietly, and heaven honors what people overlook. Your strength may feel exhausted, but you are not abandoned. Your heart may feel tired, but you are not empty. Your spirit may feel discouraged, but your story is not over. Your word says in Psalm 34, the Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those crushed in spirit. So tonight, God comes close to the man who is tired of pretending he is okay. Close to the man who feels pressure every day. Close to the man fighting silent emotional battles. Close to the man wondering if he still has purpose. Brother, you do not need to become cold to survive. You do not need to harden your heart because life became difficult. You are allowed to rest, allowed to breathe, allowed to heal. Even Jesus withdrew to rest. And tonight, heaven invites you to release the weight you were never meant to carry alone. Father, restore the soul of every weary man listening. Strengthen the man who feels mentally exhausted. Encourage the man who feels emotionally drained. Lift the man who feels forgotten. Remind him that leadership is not weakness. Responsibility is not invisibility. And being needed by others does not mean he must destroy himself. Father, teach him that his worth is not in performance, not in how much money he makes, not in how much pain he hides, not in how perfectly he carries pressure. His worth was already established by you. Your word says in Psalm 46, God is our refuge and strength, a very present help in trouble. So tonight, be strength for the exhausted man. Be peace for the anxious man. Be comfort for the discouraged man. And to the man listening who feels like giving up emotionally, do not quit now. There is still oil on your life, still purpose in your future, still strength inside your spirit. This season will not bury you. It will build you. One day, the same man who cried silently at night will speak with wisdom that heals others. The same man who felt overlooked will become a pillar for many. The same man who felt weak will discover that God was strengthening him in secret. Brother, you are more loved than you realize, more valuable than you think, more necessary than you know. And tonight, before sleep takes your eyes, hear this clearly. You are not forgotten by God. You are seen, you are carried, you are appreciated in heaven. And even here,
Your presence matters more than words can explain. So breathe again, hope again, rest again. Because God is still writing your story, and He is not finished with you yet. Amen.